So, you're thinking about a career in data analysis, right? But it kind of feels like every path leads to this dead end, just paved with endless spreadsheets. What if I told you there's a clear ladder you can climb, one that gets you out of that trap and into a role where you're not just valuable, but in demand? Well, today we're going to break down exactly how to do that.
Does this sound familiar? I mean, let's talk about Alice for a second, because her story, it's something so many people feel, especially if you're switching careers or just starting out. You look at these entry-level jobs, and it's just a sea of the same old, boring, repetitive tasks. It's enough to make you wonder, is this really it?
So let's just ask the question straight up. Is that what you're signing up for? To be a human calculator, just plugging numbers into a spreadsheet day in and day out? Because, and this is important, if your job can be boiled down to that, the stakes are way, way higher than you think.
And that right there, that's what I call the spreadsheet trap. This is the whole ball game. It's the critical difference between having a job that, let's be honest, almost anyone could do, and building a career that makes you absolutely indispensable to your company.
Okay, so here's the hard truth. No sugarcoating. If all you do is enter and report on data, you are replaceable. But, and this is a huge but, if you can master the right kind of analysis, everything changes. You stop being a data entry clerk and you become this high-paid data detective that companies are literally fighting to hire.
So how do you make that jump? It's not about learning a million different tools. Nope. It's about understanding and climbing this ladder, the 4 levels of analysis. Seriously, think of this framework as your personal roadmap to a career that's actually valuable.
And here it is, the data career ladder. At the very bottom, the first rung, you've got descriptive analysis. It's just telling people what happened, the baseline. Move up a step, and now you're doing diagnostic work, figuring out why did it happen. See, this is where the detective work really starts. The next level up, that's predictive, where you're basically using AI to see the future, what will happen. And at the very top, the boss level, that's prescriptive analysis. You're not just predicting the future anymore, you're telling the company what they should do about it. That's real strategy, and that's where you make a massive impact.
And you know what happens with each step you take up that ladder? It's not just about your impact. Your paycheck grows too. We're not talking a small raise here. We are talking about a 6-figure difference. Just look at this contrast, it says it all. The basic analyst is stuck on that bottom rung, totally focused on what happened. Their role is data entry, basic reporting, and frankly, they're replaceable. But then you've got the predictive expert, your data scientist, your AI engineer. They're looking ahead, focused on what will happen. They are that in-demand detective, and their value to a company is off the charts.
And if you need proof, here are the numbers. Professionals who really master that predictive level of analysis, they're pulling in salaries between $100,000 and $180,000 a year. That right there, that is the reward for climbing the ladder. That's what it looks like to escape the spreadsheet trap for good.
Okay, so as you start climbing this ladder, you're going to want to work smarter, not just harder. So let's just pause for a second. I've got a quick pro tip that can actually make a huge difference in your day-to-day. If you're using VS Code, please stop digging through all those folders trying to find your datasets or your script files. Just hit Control+P or Command+P if you're on a Mac and start typing the name of the file. Boom, you jump straight to what you need. It's so much faster, and more importantly, it keeps you in that creative flow state.
All right, back to the strategy. Now you know the ladder you need to climb. So what's the actual, practical first step you can take? How do you go from being just another tutorial student to becoming a real professional? This is maybe the most important piece of advice I can give you. Resist that temptation to learn every single tool, every language, and every framework all at once. I'm telling you, that is the fastest way to get completely overwhelmed and just burn out before you even get going. So here's your action plan. It's simple. First, focus on one path. Pick one and stick with it. Second, it's time to get out of tutorial hell. Stop just watching videos and start doing things. Third, build real projects that actually solve a problem. That's how you build a portfolio that makes people notice. And finally, make sure those projects show that you can climb the ladder from descriptive all the way up. And that's pretty much it. You have the roadmap, you have an action plan. The only thing left to do is decide on your first move. So really think about it. Which of these 4 types of analysis, descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, or prescriptive, are you going to focus on mastering first? Because your answer to that question could literally define the entire future of your data career.